Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements, your OS version and where you want the new keyboard fonts to appear. Once done, choose whether you need system installation or app-specific fonts because the method differs. Next, identify the font file format you'll download, TrueType, OpenType, or web formats, since installation steps vary. Make sure you have admin rights or the correct folder access. Without permissions, you can't install. Now go get source files from safe repositories or marketplaces to continue. You'll now install and enable the fonts where you need them. On Windows, right-click and choose Install or drag to the Fonts folder. On Mac OS, open Fontbook and click Install. Linux users copy to /. Fonts or use the distro's font manager and run fc-fv. Once installed, open your target app, select the new family, and adjust keyboard layout or input method if needed so special glyphs map correctly. If you're using web projects, generate web font kits and update at font face rules accordingly. You finish by verifying font behavior, restart apps or reboot to clear caches, then test typing common and special characters. Once done, confirm keyboard mapping shows the new glyphs and tweak preferences or input methods if characters don't appear. If problems persist, validate the font file for corruption or conflicts and remove duplicates. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the OS font cache and restart. That often resolves invisible or substituted glyphs caused by stale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.